Hey guys, it's Shane once again coming to you and bringing value, some fitness, some workout, some cardio, right? We're gonna lose some weight today. We're gonna gain some muscle. So today I'm gonna go over push-ups, right? Push-ups is something anybody and everybody can do. People say it's boring. It's boring. So now understand, when you're doing push-ups, there's different ways of doing push-ups, right? And then understand, when you're doing push-ups, right, you're working up your upper chest, your mid chest, and your lower chest, right? And you're not only working out your chest, you're working out your biceps and your triceps, right? You're also working your shoulders and your back, okay? So when you focus and you think about doing push-ups, know that it's working more than one muscle group, right? It's working your upper body, right? And then if you add keeping your stomach tight, keeping your core tight, you are also burning calories in your stomach, all right? So guys, I have my chair here, I have my stair stepper here. I would suggest that this is for males just because this is a higher platform, and this is for females because it's a lower platform, okay? So I'll be working off the chair. So then you can see as a male, I'm working at the doing the male workout, right? And the only reason is for a chair, right, is that you're at a higher velocity. Your body is more above your head, right? As I will explain when I do the push-ups. Okay, so normal push-ups, everybody. You're gonna get on the ground, right? You're gonna get on the ground, and what people do is they bow their elbows out. They bow their elbows out and then come back up, right? That's perfectly fine. Or you keep your elbows in, right? You keep your elbows in and then you come up. Now, if you focus on the muscle groups, here is triceps. You're using your triceps to push your body back up, right? Here, elbows out, you're using your biceps to push your body out. All right, and know that I'm working through pain. My wrist and my hip is like killing me because I was skimboarding at the beach, teaching this young kid, or actually the young kid Matthew was teaching me on how to skimboard. And I kept on falling and falling and falling. You know, I fell so many times, my wrist just got busted up, so it's healing better. I'm able to work out, but just know I'm going through that pain. Okay, so when I showed you those two types of push-ups, now here's this chair, right? This chair is helping you with the incline push-up, right? When you see on the bench and, you know, they're doing up here, right? And here is the decline. You're doing your lower part of your chest, right? That is helping your lower part and your biceps. Let me demonstrate. Now, decline push-ups, very easy, all right? You feel like this is less weight, right? Less body weight that you have to push up, but know that it's a part of your chest that you're able to work out. Here, more biceps, right? I'm using my biceps and my lower part of my chest to lift up. Here, elbows in, elbows tucked in, lower part. Now, there's so much going on when you're doing push-ups. If you focus on that, then you will focus on the muscle growth, right? I would say 30 days of doing push-ups every other day, you will see a definition in your chest. Women, you will see a definition in your arms. You will feel much better about yourself. It's all about when you take your shirt off and you're getting ready to take a shower, right? How do you feel when you look at yourself naked in the mirror? Exactly. Okay, so now we're gonna do incline push-ups, all right? Sorry if I'm speaking too fast, because, you know, I know you guys are crunched on time. You wanna get a workout in the video and then, you know, go on to your next video. So this is a incline push-up, right? Now this is my lawn chairs. This is my chairs I have in my backyard where I sit and hang out, so I can put my feet on here. But men, just know if you're doing this, put a towel down for your wife's not killing you, or take your shoes off, okay? So here, put your feet up on the chair. Here, incline push-up. Now, when you're doing the push-up, all right, keep your head level, your eyes level with your hands, all right? Come down, come up, elbows out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbows in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, guys, that is definitely concluding the workout. I hope this brought value into your life, because it sure does bring value. It brings value to me that I'm able to show you easy workouts so you can do this for the rest of your life, or do this for a season of your life, so then you can be successful in your body. You can feel great when you go to work, and that energy projects through people. So again, I will send more videos, and please like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. You ready to go? Fire it up. See you at the top.